myntri bapet yakatana CNR block sarkar jela weti mandal ula batha yaka department bakan pensisha laka pyntreikam neem yaka minimum wages ha baroh ki block ki badan ha jela kani ka jing batha kala wan hadian baka sarkar jela kala rai ban pensange no shwa yaka jing pli yaka office treikam jonga maupat CNR di block ha kani ka ski ningkong naka daw ka jing persha jonga shnong lakan no baka ni ka jing persya kadai namar baka sarkar kam shim lala ban buram ya ka soskular ka balaya soy ha ka por bala IT ya ka jaka na benta ka te ka office blank kumta halor kani ha bakran mat kilat pathai kubor myntri loong ngila dap ban pelong ya ka audit kumta menda kasngi ngila batharu ya ka tanat sa shisien bahkan pet lakum kini ki issue ki dangdan neem ki basateng haki we ki blong habe day but ka minimum wages.
What block issue following the protest there today?
No, we have just postponed the program because some issues has been raised. We have already instructed the department to look into all the objection raised by the people of Mahapat village.
What exactly is the issue there?
Yeah, that's why we got to see, and I invited them also. They can come and discuss about these issues.
So how do you resolve this issue of pending minimum wages?
Yes, see, this government notification is there, so we will be adhere to that.
We have a lot of blocks, and will you be conducting an audit on how many blocks or deficiencies are there?
Yeah, already we have conducted. We asked today again to see that such issues are pending there, other blocks or not.
So mainly about the minimum wage.
Yeah, minimum wages.
So you will be coordinating with the labor department also.
Yeah, naturally.
So, sir, apart from the minimum wage, what were the content of the agreement signed for the land?
See, I told them that whatever agreement has been signed at the time of taking over of the land will be fulfilled in letter and spirit.
So can you share some details a little bit? What
Actually, those details are not with me, and it is written in Kashi, so I asked them to translate it.
So the issue of being a right land to it's not a private land. What's the time when the department has to seek for private lands? Is there any agreement that those landowners should be given job in the department?
No, it is not that all jobs will be given. There is a criteria, and it varies block to block because some area are bigger than some area are lesser. Okay, than other. So depending on that, at the time of taking over, some agreement is there, and it is fulfilled in everywhere, wherever these agreements are there.
Preference are being given to that.
Already preference has been given. 5 people have been already appointed from the locality, as per Maupat block, and in other blocks also it is done.
But the village elders in the morning expressed concern about the disbursement.
Yeah, that's why they have raised the issue that they should get minimum wages payment. We have also thought that it is a genuine demand, so we will be agreeing to it.
So will there be any meeting with the institution, traditional bodies
Today,
in the coming days?
yeah, I told them that if they have any issues, they can come and discuss with me any day with some prior appointment.